HONOR MagicBook Art 14 is packing some serious innovation that'll make any tech lover do a double take. That removable webcam? Pure genius. How often do you see a laptop feature that actually makes you stop and appreciate the engineering? This magnesium alloy chassis with titanium components keeps things crazy light at just 1 kilogram while feeling premium. Those subtle curves aren't just for looks, they help squeeze in ports you wouldn't expect in something this slim, including full-size HDMI and USB-A. Let's talk about that stunning 14.2-inch display with its 3:2 productivity aspect ratio. At 3120 by 2080 resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate and touch support, it's basically the perfect hybrid for work and play. The 97% screen-to-body ratio gives serious sci-fi vibes, like we're living in those futuristic movies where devices are all screen. HONOR claims it's the highest ratio on any laptop right now, and after seeing it in person, I'm inclined to believe them. The magic trick is how they solved the webcam dilemma. Instead of cramming it into the bezel, they made it detachable with a satisfying magnetic connection. Pop it out for privacy, store it inside the laptop, or even flip it 180 degrees for different angles. It's the kind of simple but brilliant solution that makes you wonder why nobody did this sooner. The keyboard's titanium construction keeps flex to a minimum despite the ultra-thin profile, even for my terrible Hunt Ampeg typing style. Powering this lightweight beast is Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite chip, which means cool, efficient performance and crazy battery life. HONOR claims 9.5 hours of office work from the 60Wh battery, impressive for something this portable. The haptic feedback on the oversized glass trackpad might be the best I've experienced, giving that perfect click sensation without actual movement. Audio doesn't get sacrificed either, with front-facing speakers that avoid the tinny sound common in ultra-portables. While you won't shake the room, the clarity is solid for video calls and casual music. The fingerprint scanner tucked neatly into the keyboard ensures security even when your webcam's detached. HONOR's Magic Ring feature ties everything together if you're in their ecosystem, letting you seamlessly jump between HONOR phones, tablets, and this laptop. It's those little quality-of-life touches that elevate the experience beyond just specs on paper. What really sets this apart is how HONOR rethought every standard laptop compromise. Need ports? Got them. Want privacy? Remove the cam. Craving screen real estate? They basically eliminated bezels. The magnesium titanium construction proves you don't need to choose between lightweight and premium feel. For creatives and professionals who value portability without sacrificing functionality, the MagicBook Art 14 delivers in ways most Ultrabooks don't. That removable webcam isn't just a gimmick, it represents the kind of outside-the-box thinking we need more of in tech. Between the innovative design, stellar display, and all-day battery, this might just be the most interesting laptop of the year. If you enjoyed this deep dive into HONOR's latest innovator, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps the channel. For more cutting-edge tech reviews and first looks, subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what you think about that removable webcam, genius solution, or unnecessary complication. Until next time, keep exploring the future of tech.